incoming versus upcoming. Ang tatandaan nyo, if something is incoming, it is arriving or entering. Ang focus mo dito is yung movement coming in. So halimbawa, incoming calls, incoming messages, incoming flights, incoming passengers, incoming freshmen students, incoming officers. Lahat yan about to enter or about to arrive. Now, if something is upcoming, it is happening soon. Ang focus natin pagdating sa upcoming ay yung mga nakaschedule na events, future activities, future releases, mga ganyan. Halimbawa, upcoming game, upcoming party, upcoming exam, upcoming summer camp. Subukan natin. Please prepare for the blank shipment. So, ano ba yung shipment? It is something na nag-arrive. So, may physical movement of the shipment papunta sa'yo. It's coming in. So, ang tamang gamitin natin ay incoming. Kasi the shipment is arriving. Dito naman, I am excited for the blank concert. Ano ba yung concert? Something na future event. Nakaschedule siyang mangyari. At excited ka na sa concert na yan na happening soon. So, ang mas tamang gamitin ay upcoming concert. Kaya naman, anong sagot dito? Here's a sneak peek of our blank video. Incoming or upcoming?